What if I told you that you can create a complete Facebook ad in less than 5 minutes?
5 minutes. 5 minutes, complete Facebook ad.
Without hiring a copywriter, without hiring a designer, and without spending hours starting at a blank screen wondering what to write.
No copywriter. No designer. No blank page struggle.
Just a few years ago, creating a high converting Facebook ad required multiple skills. You need to write persuasive copy, create eye catching visuals, and understand marketing psychology. Today, AI can do most of that work for you in minutes.
This used to take hours. Now it takes minutes.
In this video, I will show you exactly how to create Facebook ads using AI from start to finish, even if you are never created an ad before. And the best part is, I will show you a simple workflow that can save your hours every single week. Let's get started. If you are running a business, promoting an affiliate offer, selling product online, or helping clients with marketing, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Today, I will show you a simple 3-step process for creating Facebook ads with AI. We'll use AI to generate ad copy, create professional ad creatives, and prepare everything for Facebook in just a few minutes. So grab your laptop and follow along. Step 1. The first thing we need is ad copy. And honestly, this is where the most people get stuck. They know what they are selling, but they don't know how to turn that into an ad that grabs attention. This is where AI becomes incredibly powerful. Open your favorite AI tool and give it a simple prompt. Write a Facebook ad for a fitness coaching program targeting busy professionals who want to lose weight. Within seconds, AI can generate headlines, primary text, call to action buttons, and multiple ad variations. But here is the trick most people miss. Don't ask AI for one ad. Ask for 5 different angles. One focused on pain points, one focused on benefits, one focused on social proof, one focused on urgency, and one focused on curiosity. Now you have multiple variations to test instead of putting all your hopes into a single ad. And that's important because winning Facebook advertisers test everything. But great copies alone isn't enough. You also need something that stops people from scrolling. That's where the step 2 comes in. Step 2. Now let's create the visuals. Years ago, this requires expensive design software or a professional designer. Today, AI can create stunning AI creatives in seconds. Simply describe the image you want. For example, a professional business owner smiling while checking sales result on a laptop, modern office, realistic photography style. Within moments, AI generates multiple image options. And here's why this matters. Facebook users scroll incredibly fast. Your image has one job. Make them stop. That's it. The headlines and copy do the rest. I like creating 3 to 5 different image variations because Sometimes the image you least expect becomes the winner. In fact, many marketers discovered that changing only the image can double their click through rate. Now we have the copy and we have the creative, but we are missing one final piece that can dramatically improve performance. Step 3. This is where most beginners lose money. They create one ad, launch it, and hope for the best. Instead, use AI to generate multiple variations. Take your original ad and ask AI, create 3 shorter versions. Then ask, create 3 emotional versions. And ask, create 3 versions for beginners. Suddenly, you have multiple ad angles ready for testing. This is exactly how professional advertisers think. They are not typing to guess the winner, they are letting the market decide. Upload your variations into Facebook Ads Manager and test them against each other. Sometimes the ad you thought was average becomes your top performer. And because AI created everything so quickly, testing becomes easy instead of overwhelming. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have used AI to create ad copy, generate professional visuals, and build multiple Facebook ad variations ready for testing. The reason this method will work so well is simple. AI removes the slowest part of the advertising creating. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, you can focus on testing, optimizing, and scaling what actually works. And remember, the advertisers who wins aren't always most creative. They are often the one who tests the fastest. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because I share practical AI tools, marketing strategies, and online business tutorials designed to save your time and help you grow faster. And before you go, let me know in the comments, have you ever used AI to create a Facebook ad? I would love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.